good? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are well. If you enjoy trading Forex or enjoy Forex content, subscribe, like the video. I've got some insane stuff coming out in the next few weeks where there's going to be some big withdrawals. But obviously, today we are making another video, bringing it out. How I made $45,000 in 24 hours. Yes, this was on a prop firm account, so big withdrawal coming. This is my setup. It's about 8 AM. I'm already showered, done my hair, ready to get on with the day. I'm going to Starbucks now, so I'm going to take you there. We're going to talk along the way. And yeah, after that, I'll show you a big analysis of the trades. Obviously, this trading, it was planned out very well. I only wanted to jump in on sells with gold, in and out, closing the profits, and then re-entering and getting better positions. Pretty straightforward, but remember to always secure profits if you need it, baby. But without further ado, let's go. Oh my god, look at those profits right there. Insane. $45,000. Got the Starbucks, just chilling, looking at the ocean of the motion. What? In the whip of the bill. You know how it is. But yeah, beautiful trades. Obviously I'm going to show you the analysis, but let's just talk a bit first. Let's talk about how we did it. Okay, so obviously it took me less than 24 hours to hit these trades, plus £45,000 or dollars should we say, which I'm going to be withdrawing hopefully within the next 2 weeks, and then we'll make another video on that. It was quite simple. Trades were sent in free trades, link in the description, and also the gold group, which you click on the TJFX bot. But we called sells. 1678 will get touched soon. We just saw Thursday a daily retest. It went literally from 1618 to about 1760. It's gone up like 800 pips, but all that is just a retest. We're going to be seeing sales back down. It's got to touch 1678 major level before anything else. It has to touch then, so we're going to see sales back down again. But with this trade, we caught the sales at 1729, 1736, closed to 1729, one for good profit, held to 1736 all the way down to around 1710, 1709. Caught a lot of pips on that. Big 32,000 just on one trade. If you guys want to do these challenges, link in description. The Forex Fund, a 50% off coupon, $425 for a 200k account. For a 200k account, 1% $2,000. So do the maths. It's worth doing it, because even though you fail once or twice, when you do pass and you get that withdrawal, you could be making, 10+%, withdrawing 20+k. If you weigh out the pros and cons, it's pretty much like a real life ATM. Honestly, that's all I've been doing. That's what other traders do, other big YouTubers are doing. They just keep buying these prop firms. Even if they fail, they know they're going to get funded, and they know they're going to get the withdrawal at some point. Therefore, it's just a win-win really, and this is how we're going to make money from the prop firm companies at the moment. But yeah, without further ado, I'll hop on to the charts. Let's go. Alright, so with this gold trade, we're looking at a few things here, and this is why gold's at an insane rate, because we're looking on a daily. We've seen it come down to the body, reject above the body, and now we could potentially see big sells here, as obviously point from when it sold right here. We've seen it touch and then reject off, so this would be quite a good entry. Obviously 1767, you're hoping it at least pulls back down to 1750 area, and then it depends what happens there. I believe gold's going to resell back down to 1678, which is this daily right here. 1678, we touch 1680, which I believe is a fake. This is a fake pullback to collect orders. Might see it come to 1773, wick out, and then pull back. There's a few moves here where it depends how bearish gold is going to run, because if it doesn't respect this little area here, then obviously we're going to see it push back up to 1812 and then sell from 1812 all the way back down again, and you could just keep scalping your entries on the bearish. Now, the sells that we caught were here, and I made it in my previous video about this. You've seen it wick up, wick the bodies here, and then sell off back down, and this was just a clear pullback. Previous 1H, we saw it bullish engulf here, where you could actually see pullbacks to 1707 at some point, so you might even be able to get sells from this area around here, or even 1773 max, sells back down to around 1606, sorry. Now if you're looking at the 4 hour, and we got the 4 hour on here, as you can see again, for our entries on the money that we made, sells easy, caught on the body, sells back down. This was retesting. It should have at least come down to the previous 4H or 1H wick, which is around here, but didn't, failed to do so. So, you know, it used this one right here, this bullish engulfing as a support. If you go on the daily, you look to see the daily, not much confirmations for buyers really there either. So, bit of a weird reason why it went up, I would say here, even though you got this little consolidation zone right there, see it wick below, then go buys. So technically you could say that's where it went up, and that's the reason, because it wicked out the consolidation zone and then went long. However, that's not a real confirmation, because that's just a made up consolidation box if you're looking at price action and that sort of thing. Now we're seeing gold sell off, and I actually closed out here, very good profits. Obviously wanted to see sells, I wanted to see it sell again at around 1730, and then if not 1750. Now 1750 is up here, let me just act out here like this, that's 1750. It's quite a good area of gold, you know, 1750, 1800, 1850, every 500 pips is a good area for gold to reject that. We didn't see it reject 1750, and that's why we're seeing now on the Friday morning daily, we're seeing it come to the body. Is it going to respect here and that be a wick out, or is it going to come to the previous wick at 1773? Knowing gold, if I would have got in here, then SL entry, sell limit 1773. Hopefully you want to see it wick up here and then sell back down to 1706. That would be a very nice trade, and it's a possible trade. That's very, very possible. You got to be patient right now. It's London, but then New York's going to come in, and then hopefully with New York by like 1, 2 we see it come up and then sell all the way from 1773 to 1706. That'll be a bigger pullback. Obviously from 1706 we could see it go bullish to 1812, come up to 1812, wick out the previous high of the bearish engulfing from when it sold to 1812 to 1680. See that come down, push below to 1678, goes 1678, and then we'll see what happens there. Obviously 1678 major freaking level in gold, so if it breaks below, it will be an interesting sells. I hope this helped with the analysis or your further indication for your gold confirmations if you guys want to get into the markets. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace.